a great day and thank you for watching this video. I'm guessing you are interested on this makeup look for Valentine's Day, and I am so excited to be here and showing you guys this red smoky eye look. If you don't know me yet, my name is Janet Zambrano and I do make videos in Spanish. I do have a Spanish channel which I am usually more active, but now I have kind of been uploading the same amount of videos, so don't forget to subscribe. Something that was getting me very frustrated is that I went to 3 stores and for some reason there was no red eyeshadow anywhere to be found, and I was just like so frustrated. And there were drugstores because I couldn't go, to the actual stores. It was after work, blah blah blah. But I thought of a great idea since I really wanted to create this look. This video as much as I did filming it, and don't forget to follow me on my social media. Share this video if you really enjoyed it, and also leave me a comment below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. There are more videos coming up. And just before I leave, I want to tell you guys happy Valentine's Day. I don't think I'm gonna make a video that day, so I'll let you guys out. I'll tell you guys ahead of time. I hope you guys receive a lot of love that day and any other day, but that's definitely a day that you have an excuse to receive the flowers, the chocolates, and all the love in the world. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and comment below. And I'll see you guys till next time.